हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ टिम्पल शर्मा, लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल कोच एंड अ हीलर। सो आज मैं आपके साथ एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करना चाहती हूँ एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक दैट आई शुड डू दिस। द रीसेंट केस ऑफ द रेप केस, राइट, जो अभी हुआ है इन कोलकाता। एंड आई रियली फेल्ट like I really felt the pain. I really that something inside of me got shattered. It's like कि क्या चल रहा है इस दुनिया में. And in the morning only, like today's Independence Day, but I felt that कि it's not Independence Day. It's a like someone is going through huge pain and I can't ignore it just to feel good from within. I just can't ignore the pain of humanity, the persons who are going through this, right? So we did the meditation in the morning. I really felt triggered, and we around 30 people gathered together to do the meditation for the peace of that soul, so that that soul can ascend to higher level and become better. All the pain that she felt here on this planet earth may be able to release and come back as a warrior. Obviously कोई भी पर्सन नहीं जाता यहाँ पे, आता है, जस्ट क्लोथ्स चेंज होते हैं, हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी चेंज होती है. आई होप आप सभी को पता होगा ये. एंड आई नो शी विल कम बैक फॉर श्योर as a better person. She's already the better person, but as a healed person, as a healer for this planet Earth. So, uh, why I wanted to share this story, why I felt like I was literally before an hour I was crying, literally crying. What is happening? This because this is called as community trauma. And I felt like कि ये चल क्या रहा है दुनिया में, and everyone is dancing, and so-called influencers, they are not talking about it. ऐसे इसको लॉक कर दिया है. एंड जो लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, आई रिसीव लॉट्स ऑफ टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम द गर्ल्स. दे आर फीलिंग अनसेफ. दे आर फीलिंग लाइक कि आई गॉट ट्रिगर, मुझे आइडिया नहीं हो रहा, मुझसे ये पेन नहीं सहा जा रहा. द गर्ल जो सफ़र भी नहीं किया, बट उन्होंने ये सुना, एंड all the girls are feeling unsafe on this planet Earth, right? But let me tell you all, who all can create the safety? We. Change always begin with us. So it's high time to change ourselves. It's high time to choose love. It's high time to become the better, to heal ourselves so that we can see our fear from distance and become the love. Because with love only we will be able to heal all the other people. And yes, let me share a little more about it, why it's important. Like yesterday only I found my purpose, like what I really want to do on this planet Earth, on this earth, why I am here. I am into this healing and manifestation journey since 2 years, and I came here like two years before. I was like, I copied another person's purpose, that I also want to open old age home, I also want to open animal shelter, but I never felt connected from deep inside. I knew that. And in last year, by the end of the last year, I just released all these things. Okay, whatever universe wants me to do, I'll do that only. I'm not going to choose what I should do. So yesterday only, because one of my friend, uh, she was sharing something about her own kid. That kid is just 10 or 12 years old, and he's so full of frustration. That kid is suffering, and because that kid is suffering and he's creating mess in the house, and she's feeling helpless. And she texted me, and I suggested her all the things, like just focus on yourself and heal yourself. This is what we can do. Don't try to change anyone, just focus on yourself and that person will change. And yesterday only at the I was sitting in the meditation. So I saw I got the intuition that I am going to open the school, the spiritual schools and spiritual tuitions for the kids from the age of 2 to 5. People in the future, they're not going to the playway things, that is playway mein jana. No, they are going to go for the spiritual school, for the spirituality, where they will learn how to become a better person, how to tackle every single things in the चाइल्ड वे ओनली, राइट। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वो उनको ओवर एज से मैच्योर करना, नहीं, उनको बच्चा ही सिखाना है कि तुम बच्चे ही रह के, तुमने बच्चा ही रहना है, तुमने ये वाला जो फेस है इसको खुल के जीना है। सो दिस इज़ माई पर्पस। आई फाउंड इट आफ्टर two years of healing, and now I wanted you all to work on yourself. It's a high time to work on yourself. It's a high time to heal yourself. If you are feeling pain, that means something inside of you is suffering, and don't ignore that suffering. Don't suppress that suffering, otherwise you will suffer, your upcoming generations will suffer. And let me share with you all one more thing. We all have energy, we all are energy, as you all know. I hope maximum people know about the kundalini, and maximum people know about the chakras that we have inside of our body, the 7 important chakra, and around the 7 important chakra is the kundalini, right? So the energy, जब हम पैदा होते हैं तो हमारी जो जो एनर्जी रहती है कुंडलिनी, वो रूट चक्रा के ऊपर रहती है। एंड अगर जैसे जैसे बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है, अगर हमने उसको नहीं सिखाया लाइक व्हाट टू डू इन द सेंस, ऐसे नहीं कि तुम्हें इसकी शर्म करनी है, लोग तुम्हें जज कर रहे हैं, तुम्हें ये डरना है, इससे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं। हम जब तक उसको नहीं सिखाया टू हाउ टू लव प्रॉपरली, how to become a fearless soul, how to become the better soul, how to contribute into this planet earth, I am talking about this, right? So जब तक हम बच्चे की उस एनर्जीज को यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो वो एनर्जी रूट चक्रा के ऊपर स्टक रहेगी। और हर किसी को पता, अगर रूट चक्रा स्टक है तो दैट मीन्स द पीपल, लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग डिप्रेशन, स्ट्रेस। इट्स बिकॉज देयर रूट चक्रा इज ब्लॉक्ड, द एनर्जी स्टक देयर। Because of that, people are indulging into drugs, people are indulging into fight, people are becoming terrorist, people are people are entering into this rape things and all sexual activities, right? So just क्योंकि द रूट चक्रा एनर्जी वहाँ पे है, एंड वो एनर्जी नीचे की तरफ फ्लो कर रही है, जो कि ऊपर की तरफ फ्लो करना चाहिए। सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to start working wherever you are right now. Start working here only so that we can create the better world. अगर हम आज से start करेंगे तो ही I think कुछ हो पाएगा on this planet earth. If you are here, you are here for some reason. कोई भी by mistake नहीं है, कोई भी by mistake नहीं है। तो know your worth, start healing your trauma. Every chakra is related to some or other activity, some or other memory. That root chakra is relating to abundance. If you have trauma relating abundance, trauma relating to money, that root chakra will be blocked. And ऐसे करके हमारे सारे चक्रा होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमारी जो कुंडलिनी है वो अपवर्ड नहीं जाती। और जब तक हम अपवर्ड नहीं जाएगी, जब तक हम अंदर से ओपन नहीं होंगे, हमारे चक्रा से ट्रॉमा रिलीज़ नहीं करेंगे, जब तक हमारे अंदर जो बॉडी के पेन है उसको रिलीज़ नहीं करेंगे, यू विल बी नॉट एबल टू बिकम द बेटर। यू विल ट्राई, यू विल डू reprogramming of your mind, but if you really want to ascend into the higher version of yourself, into the higher dimension, then it's very very important to heal. That's the importance of healing. And right now there are lots of people regarding the kids, they are feeling like I'm feeling fearful, that I really felt for her. She was feeling literally fearful, like his own kid is creating mess in her life, right? So I suggest you all, don't try to change anyone else, change yourself first. Believe me, one healed person can create the peace into the entire family. One healed person. So it's very very important, a healed soul into the family. Because when I started healing myself, I healed myself, those who connected with me by the energies, by blood relation, by DNA, they all are healing, they all are becoming better without saying anything else to them. Matlab, I'm not forcing anyone to do all the things and all. No, it's not my job. My job is to just create the awareness. It's up to you whether you want to enter into this planet, enter into this higher dimensions or not. So it's a high time to heal yourself, to create the better world. It's a high time to start teaching your kids not about the matlab, yes, you can teach your kids about the safety, I'll say, but don't teach them that people are judging you and the all these things, because आज के time पे maximum people, no matter whatever age you have right now, maybe those who are listening, they are 20-year-old, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, everyone have the fear of judgment, and because of that they are not able to show up on this planet earth. They are not able to see their own real powers. Every human have the powers. First we have to release the fear of judgment. So stop giving the fear of judgment to your kids. This is, I want to suggest every single person, stop giving it. Even stop giving the fear of judgment to you as well, because otherwise you will not be able to see your real powers. You all humans are very powerful. You all humans are, we all humans are very powerful, and we all humans can do whatever we want. We all humans, if we come together, we can create the peace on this planet earth, right? So it's high time to rise energy wise. It's high time to release all the trauma so that energy can flow easily upward, not downward. If that energy go downward, all these things like rape, the all the things, whatever is happening on this planet earth right now, this will increase, because maximum people are not conscious. They have fear, they have stress, they have every single thing, anger, frustration. They are not working on it, and they are creating mess on this planet earth because there is mess inside of them. So let's clean the mess that is inside of us, so that we can create the beautiful place, so that we can create this planet, so that we can contribute into this planet earth. I hope you all get some idea. It's very, very important to heal. It's very, very important to acknowledge your pain. Maximum people, maximum girls who are feeling unsafe right now, I totally understand the feelings that you all are going through, but believe me, you are safe. And acknowledge your pain. There is no need to express your pain ki are it's okay, I should feel good. If you're not feeling good, cry it out, but release that pain, acknowledge it, feel it, and release it, and you will be able to grow faster than you will ever think, right? So thank you so much everyone. I hope you all love the message, and thank you so much, and keep healing yourself, right? And that's it from my side. Just spread the peace and prayer for the world peace. Prayer for the that soul, जिसको भी जो भी soul है, जिसको वो pain हुआ, just pray for that soul. This is what we can contribute as a human, and be the nice human, right? So thank you everyone, love you all.